Have you ever felt that annoying itch during certain seasons? Seasonal itching can be a real discomfort for many of us. Did you know that up to 30% of people experience skin irritation due to seasonal allergies? According to the American Academy of Dermatology, it's quite common. Allergens like pollen, dust mites, and mold can trigger reactions in our skin. For instance, when spring arrives, pollen levels rise. This can lead to increased histamine production, which is responsible for that itchy feeling. Understanding these triggers is the first step toward relief. It's important to recognize your personal allergens and how they affect your skin. We trust this video helped enhance your understanding. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the allergy department at Enticare if you have any questions.